say goodbye to the circus. Off she went with a jumpity jump, 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 jump. Now Nellie the elephant had to jump and tumble over the jungle. Off she went with a jumpity jump, 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 jump.
Night by night, she danced to the circus band. When Nellie...
We do a house with wood, and there are chickens with eggs, and a molino.
Windmill.
A wind and a solar box. A house with water turbines. So this is solar panels. There is the sun, and this is a sea and garden with a chickens. There is a small beach because two the persons go to
Swim.
Swim in the sun. There is a turbine in the boat. How do you say this?
Windmill. Wind turbine.
Windmill. And there is a wind turbine near the house.
The clock says it's time to close now. I guess I better go now. I really like to stay here
lock the front door, oh boy. Got to sit down, take a rest on the porch. Imagination sets in, pretty soon I'm singing. Do, 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 looking out my back door. It's giant doing cartwheels, statue wearing high heels. Look at all the happy creatures dancing on the lawn. Dinosaur controller, listening to Buck Owens. Looking out my back door. Tambourines and elephants are playing in the band. Won't you take a ride on the flying spoon? A wondrous apparition provided by magician. Looking out my back door.
Come on, turn the radio